Hi guys, today I want to share you a solution to resolve the form doesn't show up in the published web page issue. Okay, firstly, let me show you what the issue is. Firstly, we just try to add a form into this section. We use existing, for example, this form, the mode is insert. So let's browse website. So you can see here, the form doesn't show, right? So my solution is okay. Firstly, the reason for this issue is this form doesn't support the web page template. So you can see for now I'm using the 4-page template. So let's change the template to the default studio template. Then let's browse website. So it will clear the cache and refresh the web page. Okay, so we can see the form showed here. Yeah, just this solution could be your reference. Thank you.